How you doing, traders? Also trading the Great British Pound Australian Dollar. And we got a sell signal here. And we enter the market using the same ATM, 2040 ATM with a trailer, and 60, 100, and a trailer. And this is trading the pound Australian dollar. Got a target 20, 40, 60. And then we got the 2040 has a trailer, so that's going to run. And then you got the 100 target, and then after the 100's hit, then that has a trailer as well. And these stops will start moving down. I will update you on this trade as well. How you doing, traders? Just got back. We're up 54 pips. We have two ATM strategies on here, a 20, a 40 trailer, and a 60, 100 and a trailer. We already took 20, 40 pips. Now watch this ATM work for you. Also, we're at 54 pips once it hits this level. And you will see this stop move down. The 2040 trailer stop is already right here currently. But the 60-100 trailer is still up in this zone here. But once it hits this target, you'll see that stop automatically move. $57. Oh, it spiked down to 57. See how that, look how that ATM works for you. Once it's set, you don't have to do anything else. Now, how you doing, traders? The recording ran out. So here we are with that same trade with the Great British Pound AUD. You saw how that ATM strategy worked for you. It pulled. This thing is now we're up 70 pips. Looking, this is the 100 pip target on the 60 100 trailer that I'm using, and then this is the 2040 trailer. It already took 20 pips, 40, and now it's on its trailer, and now it's heading down into this possible zone here. This is demand zone, so it's probably looking to target this zone here. But now there's no risk in either of these trades anymore. The risk is out of the trades because the ATM strategy took care of that. You just got to worry about entry. I don't understand. I could have got a better entry. I might have been looking at something else, because once it had a call, the trade call, I would wait and see and have my resistance line drawn. And once it starts bouncing around in this area, then I'll be looking to sell. I'm looking for a lower high than this high, and then I'll be looking to get in. Could have got a better entry than the one that I currently have. But that being said, I'm up 70 pips. This trailer is trailing a lot closer than this trailer is, because the next target is 100 pip target, which we're fast approaching. This is a little insight on my ATM strategies on my broker platform. There you go. That's something else. The trailers. How you doing, traders? We're up 66 pips. I was using two ATM strategies with this particular trade. Let's move this out a little bit. It took the 2040 trailing stop out, but I have the 60 100 trailer ATM strategy is still working. So currently up 63 pips. It was up as much as 90 pips. And of course, currency pair pulled back from that level and took out the trailing stop on the 2040 trade, which got 20, 40, and 60 pips. And now it didn't take out this stop. This one grabbed 60 pips. And then once it grabs 60 pips, it moves down to plus 2 pips positive. With the ATM strategies on this broker platform, you can configure your ATM strategies any way, any way you like. How you doing, traders? Currently trading at Great British Pound, Great British Pound, AUD. Currently up like 100 and it's pulling back a little bit. 150. The trailer is still running. Let's see what the MPI looks like. Let's see, it took out the below. It's not even let's see the trend line is trailing. Oops. Same trend line. Oh, you know what's gonna happen? No, exactly what's gonna happen. Okay. It's gonna run down here and it's gonna go to 208. It's gonna hit this 127 and then it's gonna pull back into the boundary. Because I was like, wait a minute, this is not even, it didn't even hit the 382 yet. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. It's gonna run down here to 208.04 and then it's gonna go back up into this boundary. Let's see. Because that's the A. This is the V. This right here is the subswing. Well, this was the A. That was the 86% pullback on the last swing, and then this is the B. So it's got a lot of room. That's what exactly going to do. It's going to hit that 127, and then it's going to pull back into the boundary, and it's probably going to get resistance around 213. Let's say 213.44. It's probably, let me put a chart along. And that's where the C may be. Right about here. 213.43. Okay, so that gives you some clarity. So let me mark off my other platform. Currency strength indicator. Oh, look at this thing. This thing is breaking out big time. So yeah, we're gonna mark up 208.04, and then look to 208.04. right there. Wow.
How you doing, traders? I'm just gonna give you an update. I took a position on this Great British Pound AUD. It's at my favorite level here, the 127. As I explained in my previous video, that was my limit when I took a position. Had a 211. My entry was 211.11. Came down, made about I got 20 pips, 40 pips, 60 pips. I was using two ATM strategies. Um, and then the 2040 ATM strategy trailer got taken out. And then all was left was the 6100 trailer. And then that got whipsawed out. And that took 120 pips, but it took 60 and 100. So now I'm looking to buy this pair back up into the boundary because it never hit the 382. This is the B low. It never hit the 382 yet, so it's got all this room to pull back to. So I'm going with probability here, and I got a tight stop at 43 pips. You get stopped out, I'll take, I mean, the risk reward, that's what you have to go for. So if I got 43 pips, I'm looking to target the minimum. I think, where was it? 209, no, 210. Like around this area where this green line is, at a minimum, that's 302 pips. But I think it's going to go all the way back up here to 2.344 at 581 pips away, and then go back, start working its way back down. Yeah. All right, there was a little update and insight on this trade. All right.
How you doing, traders? It's going to give you an update on this Great British Pound Great British Pound AUD. Here is this blue line is my friend here, the 127 on my 60-minute time frame, where I projected the currency pair to go down to and take profit once I got down to this level. And now that it's down by the 127, guess what it's going to do? It's going to reverse. This pair did not even hit the 382 on the 60-minute time frame, so this thing has a lot of room to pull back to. Let me take this global crosshair off. And the next zone is a minimum at 2.1150, but I'm expecting, to get some resistance up here at the 2.1050, basically 1050. And I took a trade as my stop loss is here. It's about 43 pips away. I'm currently up 86 pips. So I'll give you an update back on this trade, and we'll see what happens. Risk reward. I'm looking to try to capture. If my entry is here, a minimum of, this is like the minimum 281 pips. So we'll see what happens. Might get some resistance here too. This is actually a U-turn. I think it's still gonna get like right here in this area. Minimum. You get the U-turn right here. So we'll keep an eye out on that. But the first supply zone is, 211.50. So we're gonna have to mark a couple of battle points, and then eventually, you want to get this thing. I'm thinking maybe the C for the 60-minute might be, what did I say, 213.50, I think, like up here, and then it may turn back over. But everybody's going on, the holiday in the U.S. tomorrow, so I don't know how the volume is going to be, but we'll see what happens. Market Traders Institute. If you're not making pips, please check out this strategy.
How you doing, traders? Just giving you an update on the Great British Pound AUD trade. Like I said, here's my friend over here, the 127 Fibonacci level strikes again. Less than a 382 bounce. Where is it going? It's going to my friend over here, the 127. The 127 strikes again. I took a buy trade here. I was definitely not expect. It's not expected to go to 205.93. Not when the 127 has something to say about it. So the 127 took a buy trade. Now currently up about 150 pips with a 43 pip stop loss. Now there's no more risk in the trade. It hasn't been because I was already up almost 100 pips before, and I'm looking for it to go probably to this level, and we'll see what happens at this level. But it already took on this system. It took 60 pips on the trade call here. So here was my entry here. See the ECO, the classic ECO. Once that T3 tilts and crosses over those handles, it's it was going to the north. And here also, awesome oscillator, overextended. Then you get green bars ascending now, not descending, ascending up. So yeah, it's just big time weakness on the currency strength indicator. Let's bring it in. Here's the currency strength indicator of the Aussie is in orange here, and you could see there's the zero line, baseline, and it just dropped big time. So we'll see how this trade works out, but right now we're already in the profit big time with the risk reward ratio of a 3-to-1 trade. So let's see if we can turn it into a lot more than that. Okay? Market Traders Institute. If you're not making pips, please check out this strategy.